Eaton's new B-Line Series Conduit Trapeze support system features a Z-shaped design for added rigidity and strength. It supports multiple sizes and types of conduit, MC/AC cable, cable tray, and attachment of other accessories such as electrical boxes. The feed-through design enables a lower total installed cost solution with up to 50% savings on installation time. This unique design eliminates the need for conduit clamps at every support location, and no washers are required at hanger locations. Also, no special tools are required for installation. The Conduit Trapeze support is UL listed for US and Canada, and most configurations exceed maximum load ratings as defined by UL and NEC requirements. The B-Line Series Conduit Trapeze support is available in 3 hole sizes of up to 1 1/4 inches EMT, up to 2 inches EMT rigid, and up to 4 inches EMT rigid. Standard finish is pre-galvanized and is available in lengths of 12 inches up to 120 inches in 6-inch increments, with standard hole pattern repeating every 6 inches. Its Z-shaped design allows for mounting and installation versatility in the field, and can be spliced or tiered together to accommodate various spacing requirements and configurations for a wide range of applications. Flange hole patterns allow for 3/8 inch all-threaded rod or bolts on one side, and 1/2 inch all-threaded rod or bolts on the other side. From installation time and material savings to design versatility, Eaton's Conduit Trapeze support system provides customers a lower total installed cost solution with up to 75% reduction of parts versus traditional strut trapeze, and up to 50% reduction on installation time. For more information, visit eaton.com/conduit-support or contact your local Eaton B-Line Series representative.